the beginning, God spoke. Not a theory, not a metaphor, a voice, and light obeyed. He formed the dust, breathed life inside, called it good beneath the sky. Walked with man in open day, no fear, no shame, no need to hide. But a lie was whispered, a line was crossed, trust was traded for the cost. The ground broke open, thorns grew tall, death stepped in where life had walked. But mercy spoke before the curse was done, a promise planted, seed of one. From broken ground, from wounded time, hope would grow through blood and line. From breath to amen, from garden to grave, from promise to presence, from lost to saved. From breath to amen, from garden to grave, from promise to presence, from lost to saved. A flooding ark, a faithful man, a bow of mercy in God's hand. A people formed from slave and sand, a law to show what love demands. Prophets cried in dust and fire, turn your hearts, lift your eyes higher. Kings rose up, kings fell down, truth kept waiting, crowned with thorns. Sacrifice on borrowed ground, blood spoke loud but not enough sound. Every altar, every plea pointed forward quietly. From breath to amen, from scroll to skin, the author stepped into the sin. From breath to amen, from scroll to skin, the author stepped into the sin. Born in the dark, no room, no throne, heaven clothed in flesh and bone. He healed, he taught, he called the least, spoke of kingdoms no one sees. Rejected, beaten, lifted high, the lamb was slain, the veil was torn. The grave held breath for 3 long days, then life stood up at dawn. He walked alive, he spoke of hope, sent his spirit, loose the ropes. A people sent, not clothed in fear, to love, endure, and persevere. Wars and rumors, hearts grown cold, faith refined like tested gold. The gospel runs through every land, patient still, the risen Lamb. He will return, not whispered, hidden, but seen, revealed, as long foretold. The dead will rise, the living changed, and death will lose its hold. You're from breath to amen, from first to last, the broken healed, the curse outpast. You're from breath to amen, from first to last, the broken healed, the curse outpast. A new heaven, a new earth, tears wiped away, restored to worth. The story ends where it began, God with his people. Amen, amen. In the beginning, God spoke. In the end, he dwells.